As this new year begins, the world doesn't need louder voices, stronger opinions, or harder hearts. It needs remembering. Remember that every human you pass is fighting something you cannot see. That anger is usually pain asking for care. That fear is not an enemy, it's a signal asking for understanding. This year, choose presence over reaction, truth over performance, connection over division. Heal your inner world because the outer world follows. Slow your breath because peace spreads silently. Choose compassion because it interrupts cycles that violence never could. You don't change the planet by fixing others. You change it by becoming steady, kind, and awake within yourself. Walk gently, stand firmly, live honestly. This is the full circle path, and it begins with you. Happy New Year.